Okay, so I'm going to do the 1-1 work together for you, and we'll click here to pull up the instructions. And one thing I've learned to get the instructions not to kind of overlap your assignment, if you come over here and click on the book icon, it will straighten it out so that they're sharing the screen instead of overlapping. Oops, I need to reset this so I can start over. Because remember, we started working on this last week, but we never really finished it. So the directions tell you over here that we're going to prepare T accounts for each. We're going to do the title of the account. In parentheses, we're going to say whether it's a asset, liability, owner's equity, revenue, or expense. Then on the next line, we're going to label the debit and credit. And then on the next two lines, we're going to say the normal balance and then the increase or decrease side. The normal balance would always be the increase side, just so you know. So sales, as we know, is a revenue. And for every single one of this, of course, the debit is left and credit is right. We know that's the rules of debit credit. For revenue, the normal balance is a credit. So that means that will also be the increase side. Okay, supplies, as we know, are an asset. Of course, debit on the left, credit on the right. Okay, assets have a, whoops, went too far, a normal debit balance. And so that will be their increase side, and credit will be their decrease side. All right, prepaid insurance is also an asset. So that's going to be the normal balance, with that being the increase side, credit being the decrease side. All right, so the next one, Trent Associates, we're not really sure, so we need to look over here. And it tells us that Trent Associates is an accounts receivable. That makes it an asset. Receivables are assets. Debit on the left, credit on the right. You can just hear that song in your mind, can't you? Normal balance, because it's an asset. Increase side, decrease side. Okay. Next, Pacific Supply, it tells us over here that that is an accounts payable. So that's a liability. Debit left, credit right, debit left, credit right. All right, so liabilities have a normal credit balance, which means that is the increase side. Capital stock is owner's equity. And that has a normal, because it's on the right side of the accounting equation. It has a right side normal balance. Decrease on the left, increase on the right. Accounting expense is, or advertising expense, sorry, is an expense. Expenses have normal debit balances, which means that's their increase side. Petty cash, okay? We didn't do petty cash in accounting 1, but if you think about it, what petty cash is, some cash you'll have around so you don't have to write checks for just small stuff that you need, postage or something like that. So it's going to be an asset because it is cash. Okay, so debit credit has a normal debit balance. Whoops, it's typing. So that's going to be the increase side, and that's going to be the decrease side. And I believe we are done. Now, the really cool thing about this different way this looks in accounting too, or advanced accounting as it's called, we can check our answer. I got everything right. I should have tried to get something wrong on purpose. It will let you reset all your answers or even retry. If you had gotten some of them wrong, it would let you retry and go back there and fix those ones that are wrong. So it's, like I said, it's, I'm going to give you credit for working on your own. But if you've got something wrong and you're not sure why, and you kind of want to rework it um, and then click submit again to see if you can make it right, then that's not a bad idea. So that's 1-1 work together. Now you do 1-1 on your own.